This really is camping in the woods. I really love this. Here's the Overland guys that passed me before. Nice setup. Very nice setup. So my name is Scott.
Mark.
Mark, pleasure.
And Patty.
Jenny Moore.
And what was your name?
My name's Patty.
Patty. Nice to meet you, Patty.
When you see these things around, like a hot shower and the coffee pot, that's the wife acceptance factor.
You know what? I have them myself. You know, sometimes while out in the wilderness, you have to have a couple of creature comforts. Yeah. Said it was Smitty built.
Smitty built.
This is nice. I like that. Fantastic. Yeah, let me get a real close up of that. Very nice. That looks good. What do we have? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's nice. That's the way those come?
Nope. This
That's
is all
custom?
added. I put a 200 amp hour battery in it. The DC to DC charger so I can charge the battery when I'm driving. 1000 watt inverter. Should have got a little bigger. And then I got shore power right here.
Beautiful.
I can add more things to it.
Little Perco switch.
Yep.
Looks good.
Yeah, you know, right now we're at 93%.
Sweet.
So right now I've got this 30-gallon water tank on it. Habitat Off-Road has one that goes underneath. It's 24-gallon with a skid plate, so I'm going to end up buying that at some time. Get some more weight off the tongue.
But this will do for now.
Yeah, got the pump, got the tongue box. This is where I keep. Got a hot water heater.
There you go. I had the same one, but it's plastic, and I'd like to get something a little beefier.
Harbor Freight. I put one on the side. I've seen other people with these. They've got them on the sides.
Yeah.
So that's the refrigerator. This is the pump. I got spare lights, but I hook up some lights. And then each one of the boxes I put lights in.
Nice.
12 volts.
Very
USB.
nice. There you go.
Max coupler.
Yeah.
The other end here. This is basically a kitchen box. It's got a slide, got a little sink in it.
Awesome.
And then I added this box, and this kind of just helps add more storage.
If I can get the room, this will be one of my next upgrades.
We put this on. This is Off-Road Vehicle Systems 270-degree awning. I've got a wall, just one of them. There's 3 of them that come with it that I put on. I got LED lights.
How do you like it?
This, I love it.
Yeah?
It's awesome. Holds all up, sticks right there. I think it's 29 inches of ground clearance. This one slides out too. This is just got, you know, our tents and the awning walls and annex and.
Very nice.
Yeah, they hold 200 pounds each, and the tent's from Overland Vehicle System. That's a 2-person. Yeah, we got a queen mattress up in it. It's got an annex that goes around the bottom. We just don't have it up. We just didn't want to put it up today.
Very nice. All right, folks. Thank you again very much. Mark, pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy your evening.
You too have a great weekend.
Will do. You too. Thank you, guys. So I found my Overlanders. I saw them go by. I wanted to kind of track them down and talk to them a little bit, but those are the kind of people you meet while overlanding, camping, out camping. I've been a camper all my life, and I've always said the people that you meet camping are genuine, true people, and they will invite you into their site and just talk to you forever. So nice people. Glad I was able to catch up with them. my second roll. Saved it. It'll be all right.